at the beach.
Praa Sands.
Oh, it's surfing. Look at that.
Praa Sands is a stunning mile of beautiful white sand on the southwest coast Bath. Located just between Penzance and Helston, Praa Sands is a surfing hotspot, particularly in the winter. There is a large car park and shop and bar facilities right next to the beachside. Let's go have a look.
Yeah. We're on Praa Sands today, having a wander around. Lovely long sandy beach. And you can either park up at the car park and walk down the steps, or you can walk along the cliff here, and there's another entrance.
It's a very, very little tiny
down
rocky
here.
beach.
Again though, lots of steps, so if you can't manage steps, maybe not the one for you.
There's so many tiny little rocks, look.
Yeah. Lovely afternoon. It's a little bit windy, a little bit grey, but nice nonetheless. I think after this we might head down to another beach just down the way called
And then
Perranuthnoe.
we're going to get McDonald's.
Leah wants a McDonald's.
Daddy said we could.
Oh my gosh!
Up next, we headed over to Perranuthnoe Beach, a hidden little beach mainly used by locals. Again, it has amazing surf and is on the southwest coast path, just along from Praa Sands towards the Penzance way. It's not only a beautiful beach, but there's an amazing cafe, toilets open all year round, and a quaint little village atmosphere. At high tide, the whole beach disappears though, so be sure to check the tide times before you head down. Let's go and have an explore.
Right, who's gonna have a go at saying what it's called?
Apple.
Wait, what was it?
Perranuthnoe.
No, Perranuthnoe.
Oh, Perranuthnoe.
We are on Perranuthnoe Beach.
Perranuthnoe.
Perranuthnoe. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's what we're
It's
calling it.
basically rocks and fish and chips.
There's a lot of rocks, very steep incline down onto the beach, or very steep steps.
Rock.
Otherwise, very pretty little beach.
And there's fish and chips and ice cream.
Thanks everyone for watching, we really appreciate your support. As always, any information about these places and postcodes etc. will be in the description of the video. See you next time.